The dream of owning a private jet is a powerful one. It represents a level of freedom and luxury that commercial air travel simply cannot offer. Imagine bypassing the long queues, the crowded terminals, and the rigid schedules of public airports. Instead, you arrive at a private terminal just minutes before your flight, where your aircraft is waiting, ready to take you directly to your destination. This convenience is a primary motivator for those who choose private aviation. The ability to set your own timetable, to fly to smaller airports closer to your final stop, and to travel without the usual stresses is an incredibly attractive proposition. It transforms travel from a chore into a seamless and enjoyable experience. Beyond pure convenience, the privacy and comfort found on a private jet are unmatched. On board, the cabin is your own personal space. You can hold confidential business meetings, spend quality time with your family, or simply relax in a quiet environment without any disturbances from other passengers. The seats are more spacious, the amenities are tailored to your preferences, and the entire journey is designed around your specific needs and desires. This level of personalization is a significant part of the appeal. For high-profile individuals, celebrities, and top executives, this privacy is not just a luxury, but a necessity for conducting business and maintaining a sense of normality away from the public eye. Speed is another critical factor. While a private jet may not fly significantly faster than a commercial airliner, the overall journey time is drastically reduced. This is because private aircraft can often take more direct routes, avoiding congested airspace that commercial flights must navigate. The real time saving, however, happens on the ground. The process of boarding and disembarking takes mere minutes. There is no waiting for luggage at the carousel. You can land at an airport much closer to your ultimate destination, cutting down on ground transportation time. For busy professionals whose time is their most valuable asset, these hours saved on every trip can add up to days or even weeks over the course of a year. Finally, there is the undeniable element of status and prestige associated with private jet ownership. Arriving in your own aircraft makes a powerful statement. It signifies success, influence, and the ability to operate on a different level. While many owners are discreet, the image of a private jet is deeply ingrained in our culture as a symbol of ultimate achievement. It is the pinnacle of luxury travel, a tool that enhances both business efficiency and personal lifestyle. This combination of practical benefits and aspirational status is what makes the idea of owning a private jet so compelling, representing a world where the sky is truly the limit and travel is on your own terms. The first and most significant financial barrier to entry is the purchase price of the aircraft itself. The market for private jets is vast, with options ranging from smaller, pre-owned models to brand-new, ultra-long-range jets. For those entering the market, a used light jet, such as a Cessna Citation CJ3, might cost anywhere from £4 million to £7 million. These aircraft are excellent for shorter regional trips and can comfortably seat around 6 to 8 passengers. They provide all the core benefits of private travel but in a more compact and slightly more economical package. This price point makes them accessible to a wider range of successful entrepreneurs and smaller companies. As you move up the ladder in size and capability, the prices increase exponentially. A new mid-size jet, like a Bombardier Challenger 350 or a Gulfstream G280, will typically cost between £20 million and £25 million. The Steiber Jen, these jets offer more cabin space, greater range, and enhanced comfort, making them suitable for transcontinental flights. They can accommodate more passengers and often include features like a small galley and a fully enclosed lavatory. This category represents a significant step up in both luxury and operational flexibility, appealing to larger corporations and very high net worth individuals who require more from their aviation asset. At the very top of the market are the large, ultra-long-range jets. Flagship models such as the Gulfstream G700 or the Bombardier Global 7500 carry price tags that start at around £60 million and can easily climb higher with custom interiors and optional features. These magnificent aircraft are essentially flying boardrooms and luxury apartments, capable of flying non-stop between continents. They offer multiple living zones, full-size beds, showers, and dedicated crew rest areas. This level of aircraft is reserved for a very exclusive club of global business leaders, heads of state, and the world's wealthiest individuals, for whom connecting distant parts of the world without stopping is a fundamental requirement. It is also important to remember that these are just the starting figures. The final purchase price is often much higher once a buyer begins to customize the aircraft. Interior design choices, advanced avionics packages, in-flight connectivity systems, and other bespoke modifications can add millions to the initial cost. Whether buying new or pre-owned, a thorough pre-purchase inspection is also a critical and costly step, ensuring the aircraft is airworthy and its maintenance records are in order. This initial investment is a colossal figure, but as any seasoned owner will tell you, it is only the beginning of the financial commitment involved. Once the jet is purchased, the owner faces a continuous stream of substantial operational expenses. The largest of these is typically fuel. A private jet is a thirsty machine, and fuel costs can be staggering. For example, a popular mid-size jet like the Cessna Citation XLS consumes around 250 gallons of jet fuel per hour. With jet fuel prices averaging around £6 per gallon, a single hour of flying costs approximately £1,500. A 4-hour cross-country flight would therefore incur a fuel bill of £6,000. For owners who fly frequently, these costs add up very quickly, often reaching hundreds of thousands of pounds annually, just for the fuel alone. Next, you must have a team to fly and manage the aircraft. This means hiring at least 2 qualified pilots. The salaries for experienced jet pilots can range from £80,000 to over £200,000 per year each, depending on their experience and the type of aircraft they are certified to fly. In addition to their salaries, owners must also cover the costs of their annual recurrent training to keep their skills sharp and certifications current, which can cost tens of thousands of pounds per pilot. For larger jets, a flight attendant may also be required, adding another salary and more training costs to the yearly budget. Maintenance is another unavoidable and significant expense, crucial for ensuring the safety and airworthiness of the aircraft. Jets require regular inspections and servicing, dictated by the number of hours flown in the calendar. These maintenance events can range from minor checks costing a few £1,000s to major overhauls of the engines or airframe that can run into the millions. A good rule of thumb is to budget between £400,000 and £1.5 million per year for maintenance, depending on the jet's age and size. Owners often enroll in hourly cost maintenance programs to make these expenses more predictable. Finally, there are the fixed costs that must be paid whether the jet flies or not. Hangarage, or parking the jet, is a primary one. Storing an aircraft in a private hangar to protect it from the elements can cost anywhere from £4,000 to £15,000 per month, depending on the airport's location. Insurance is also a major line item, with annual premiums for a multi-million-pound asset easily exceeding £50,000 to £150,000. On top of this are costs for navigation chart subscriptions, software updates, and basic catering. When combined, these fixed and variable running costs typically amount to between £800,000 and £3 million per year. So, who actually owns these magnificent and costly machines? The typical owner is not just wealthy, they are part of an ultra-high net worth demographic. This group includes chief executives of major multinational corporations, highly successful entrepreneurs, international celebrities, and, occasionally, governments. For these individuals and organizations, the jet is not merely a symbol of wealth but a critical business tool. The time saved, the privacy for negotiations, and the ability to reach multiple destinations in a single day provide a competitive advantage that can justify the enormous expense. The aircraft is an asset that generates value, whether through closing deals or maximizing a public figure's demanding schedule. For a private jet to make financial sense, it generally needs to be flown a lot. Most experts agree that if you fly less than 200 to 250 hours per year, whole ownership is difficult to justify from a purely economic standpoint. The high fixed costs of hangarage, insurance, and crew salaries mean that the cost per hour is astronomical if the aircraft sits idle most of the time. Below this utilization threshold, other options become far more practical. These include fractional ownership schemes, where you buy a share of a jet, or chartering an aircraft on an on-demand basis, which provides all the benefits of private flight without any of the responsibilities of ownership. Ultimately, the question of whether a private jet is worth it depends entirely on the owner's specific circumstances. For a corporation that needs to transport teams of executives to multiple cities for crucial meetings, the investment can pay for itself through increased efficiency and productivity. For an individual whose time is valued in the tens of thousands of pounds per hour, The hours saved by flying privately represent a clear return on investment. The ability to travel with family in a secure, private, and stress-free environment can also hold an intangible value that transcends simple financial calculation for some owners. For the vast majority of people, however, even for many who are considered quite wealthy, owning a private jet remains an impractical dream. The financial commitment is not a one-time purchase, but a relentless, multi-million-pound annual obligation. The complexities of management, crewing, and maintenance add another layer of difficulty. While the allure of the private jet is undeniable, offering the ultimate in travel freedom and luxury, it is a privilege that, for sound financial reasons, is destined to remain in the hands of a very small and select group, for whom the price is a justifiable cost of doing business at the highest level.